Hi there, this is Douce, and this is our 4th episode of Dinner with Douce. And today we're going to cook and make homemade chicken noodle soup. Now first of all, we threw chicken legs in the slow cooker and cooked them for about 4 hours and let them become right soft and everything, and then my assistant peeled all the skin off. And this is the chicken. I can probably open it up a little bit better there. There's our chicken. All right, nice. And now I have to do my favorite thing, peel the onions. Cut them up again. There we go. Peel them up into nice little spots, little pieces. I haven't cut myself yet, but there's always the first time. Always the first time. Not as good as these chefs that can do it all. There we go. Oh, the old eyes are starting to go. Oh. Jeepers are going bad today. You know, it's true what they say, peeling onions makes your eyes water. It's very true.
Can you see what you're doing?
Oh, holy God, it's getting bad, these eyes. Blood may fall here pretty soon. It's just awful. Should wear a pair of sunglasses or something. There. All chopped up, ready to go. My eyes are really bad. Oh, my heavens, Betsy. Oh, God. What? I'll have to get a paper towel, wipe them up. They say if you wet the onion first, it won't make your eyes run, but I don't know if I believe that or not. Anyway, show must go on. Oh, there we go. Okay, next.
Heat up the pot.
We're going to heat up our pot here. On medium. You can see it nice and red. Oh, the heat's coming there really good. Mixed vegetables to throw in there. We have some Campbell soup broth. Some gluten-free barelli. It's a great taste, corn and rice. And of course, our virgin oil.
We're going to have to get you some sponsors.
There's my trusty assistant. Hey, Milo. Well, I guess he just walked out on me. Okay, now we've let our pot simmer and get warm. We're going to put half a tablespoon of oil in it. There we go. Next goes the onions. around until they become translucent. Means you can see through them. So my assistant tells me.
What's the word again?
Translucent. It's in the dictionary. Webster's. No, they get translucent heights. But oh, still hard in the eyes. So, oh, where's my little holder go? There we go. There's my little holder. Well, now we just let that cook for a little while. After that, our broth will go in. Put the whole thing in. And then we'll put half a bag of frozen vegetables in there too. And so let that cook a little bit longer. Mix it all around in the oil. Oh my heavens. Anti-child. It's an anti-child lock on that. An anti-child lock on that. Aha. Get the big child out. There we go. Try not to cut your fingers off. There we go. There. See if we can see through them, she said. Oh yeah, there's a couple there I can see through. Okay, now we're going to take the full box of, oh, my eyes are still bad. Chicken broth. There, mix that around a little bit. Oh, splashy, splashy, splashy. There we go. Now, half of a bag of mixed vegetables. A little bit more. There we go. And we'll mix them all around. They're frozen, you know. Takes them a while to get unfrozen. Chicken in there. Now. About half of this container. There we go. Garlic powder and some thyme. Garlic powder is about a teaspoon. There we go. Put the top back on. Thyme is about half teaspoon of thyme.
Tablespoon.
Tablespoon, sorry. half a tablespoon. Fill her up pretty good. There. We'll mix that all together. Now we're going to bring this to a boil. Okay, there. Just wait now to see that boil. Then I'll put the top on it here. There. After we get it to boil, we'll put some of our rigatoni in. And we'll let that simmer for a while after we get that. Now we have to rinse this out so we can, gotta throw it in, recycled in. There. Put the top back on there.
Good time for commercial break.
Yeah, and now we're time for a commercial break. She's boiling here now, so we're turning it down to medium. And going to get our rigatoni. Put about half the box in. There, let that simmer. There, mix that in around. There. There we go, put the top back on. And we're going to let that simmer for about 45 minutes. No?
No, like 15 to 20.
Oh, sorry. I was into my wrong cooking thing. Yeah, we're going to let that simmer about 15-20 minutes. And then we'll be back after that. Timer. Let this simmer for about 18 minutes. Make sure we want to get all the noodles nice and cooked. And now we're going to let this cool down a little bit. And we'll have a bowl of homemade chicken noodle soup. Right good. And that's the end of Cooking with Douce. This guy said got that wrong. That's the end of Dinner with Douce, number 4. Thank you for watching.
How is chicken noodle soup compared to lasagna?
Oh, very easy. Very easy. This is a lot easier than that lasagna stuff. I think that was my first and last try. But this isn't too bad. See ya! You barking? You barking? You barking? Awesome. There we go. And we'll mix them all around. They're frozen, you know. Takes them a while to get unfrozen.